Hello chickadees, your girl Brittanee with BB's Crafts. I have some fun stuff that I'm going to share with you today that I got from In Love Arts. I have collabed with them many times before, and you know what? Your girl is like, let's do it again. So the links to the items that I'm going to show you are going to be down below in the description box. So then if you are interested in any of the things that I showcase or their other products, make sure you check down below. All right. So first of all, look at how they have it packaged. It's so adorable, the little fox. How cute. So this first one here is a little like a poinsettia flower. I'm gonna open this up just so you can see how cute the foxy is. It comes with some greenery as well. Look at the fox. They're so cute. So you have 3 layers to the flowers. You have your little centerpiece here, and then you have 3 little greenery pieces for your backing of the flowers. So that'll be fun. I will come back in another video to show you exactly what I did. All right. So I did get some Christmas and I got some Halloween. So the Halloween ones, so everything came a little bit late. We all know about what had happened with, like, you know, shipping and all that fun jazz. So I'm hoping that I can at least get a little something, but regardless, you can always go ahead and order. They have sales and deals all the time, so if you want to go ahead and add something to your stash, and a lot of us, we do swaps late and things like that, so you can still always utilize it. So look at this one. This is Santa, his beard and his little hat there. How cute are you? Then we have this super adorable snowflake. I'm not even going to open this one. You can see that one pretty well. Really pretty snowflake. It does come with another centerpiece circle here. So you can either go ahead and have just a snowflake or have it be like one complete piece without the hole in the center. And then you have like the little accent snowflake here as well. So that is adorable. And last but certainly not least, we have a pumpkin. Now see, the pumpkin, this particular pumpkin, you can utilize it for Halloween, fall, Thanksgiving, whatever tickles your fancy. There's nothing abnormal, like, I want to say abnormal, that's not really the word I was looking for, but there's nothing on here that says boom Halloween, you know what I'm saying? So this piece here, it cuts out these little the center pieces of the pumpkin here, but then you also have these pieces here where you go ahead and you can stack them and you can have like various like alternating colors, which is really cute. And then you have your little top piece to your stem, and then your little green shrubbery there as well. So really cute. I'm excited to play with these. I really don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, you know, Christmas is right around the corner. You know, we start our Christmas crafting and stuff. I have not been crafting as much because life is like a box of chocolates, like Forrest Gump has always said. And so, but hopefully I can go ahead and get some things going for y'all to give you some ideas. So with that being said, make sure again you check out the links down below in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to your girl and like the video, so then that way you don't miss out on my future uploads, especially of what I am going to create with these dies. All right, so until next time, bye.